Okay, I am giving an example that that is example not from your book. Okay, in your class there are 20 students. Okay, and out of 50 they got marks like okay 20 students mark. Okay, we have to make a frequency table with tally marks. Okay, how to solve that type in exercise 14.2 we will solve that type of sums that some data are the informations are given and we have to make that frequency table. First of all, I am taking the class interval. Class interval means just like a, so that from that number belongs to 0 to, and highest marks is here 48. Okay, highest marks is 48. So I divide the class interval like 0 to 5, 0 to 5. Okay, and this is called class interval, where 0 is the lower limit of the class interval and 5 is the upper limit of the class interval. Okay, and here that is class interval, and that table, that is tally mark. Tally marks, these are very much easy. I hope you have done it in lower classes. That they are the frequency, that is f. Okay, so here is class interval, tally marks and frequency. Now I am taking the first, that is 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 22, 22, 25, 25 to 30, and 30 to 35 and other two. Okay, that is 35 to 40, 40 to 35 to 40, 35 to 40 and 40 to 45, and last interval that is 45 to 50. Now tell me students, in 0 to 5 how many students got the marks between 0 to 5? So 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 students got between 0 to 5. So how many students? 1, that is 0, 4, 2, 3, 3 and 2. So 5 students got. So write it. So and what is frequency? Frequency means number of occurrence. Okay, how many times it repeats. Okay, here 5 informations are here such that so that the frequency of that class interval 0 to 5, that is 5. Okay, and how to draw the tally marks? So 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Got it everyone? No, that continuous form and discrete form I will discuss it later. Okay student Dida, that is continuous and discrete. If it is given in discrete, then we have to change it into continuous interval. Okay, I will teach you it later. Okay, adjustment factor, by adding and subtracting adjustment factor, will convert it into a, if discrete class interval is given, then we can change it by subtracting or adding, subtracting and also adding the by adjustment factor. Okay. No, not mandatory. Okay, so 0 to 5. Now 5 to 10. Do it quickly. How many students are there who got marks between 5 to 10? Tell me quickly. How many students got between 5 to 10? So that is number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How many students, Riddhita? 4 students. Okay. So 4 students means, so write it down here, 4, and 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Like this way. Okay, 4 students. And tell me 10 to 15. Quickly, how many students got the marks between 10 to 15? Quickly. 10 I have taken already. 10 I have taken already. Between 10 to 15. Anyone else quickly? Sorry. Upper portion. Okay. I hope now you can see the board. Quickly answer it. हाँ सर, हाँ सर बोल। Okay. Sir, we will have to take 10 in the lower limit and upper limit also previous interval. No. Here you can take that 10 in this interval. Okay, that's why I am taken that 5 to 10 upper limit. So 10, I have included that 10 in this interval. So in that interval you will not take 10. Okay. As here I have taken, Riddhita, as I have here taken 10 into that in this interval, so you cannot take this in the regular next interval. Okay, just one information, one data you can include in one interval, not the both. Okay. Sir, previous interval we would not take 10 number. Yes. This interval. Okay, if you don't want to include that 10 in this interval, so that upper limit, then that upper limit, all the numbers just follow that. I have that upper limit you have to take in the next interval. Either that limit 10 include the 5 to 10 or next interval 10 to 15. Any of them you have to do. In the next frequency, the 10 to 15, so as it is taken, 10 is taken, so we will not take 10. So 10 to 15 means one number 15 and another, so only one number is there, only 10, only 15, so 1 and 1 tally mark, okay. 15 and 16. So 16 is there, 16 any number, that is 43, 21, so 15 to 20. 15 to 20, how many students are there? 15 to 20. Second last number, that is 16. That is 16. So 16 you have to put that number in that interval, that is 15 to 20. 15 to 20, only one number also for this interval. Okay, so only one. Now 20 to 25. Now students, I think you can solve this type of sums. It is very much easy. Complete it at your home. Now I am solving the question of exercise 14.2. Okay, the first question of exercise 14.2, first question. The blood group of 30 students of class 8 are recorded as given. Okay, represent this data in the form of frequency distribution table, which is the most common, of which nearest, rarest and blood group among these students. Okay, so for this frequency table, how will form frequency table? So write it down here, blood group and here frequency, here frequency. Okay, so next students, so here given, that is blood group A, blood group B, O, AB, O and AB. Okay, just go to the page of your book, that how many students have blood group A? Tell me quickly. Just count it, so you will get that number 9. Okay, 9 students have blood group A. No need to that, it is not given that to make it tally marks. Okay, only frequency table means, frequency distribution means the number of occurrence of blood group A, blood group B, blood group O and blood group AB you have to represent. Okay, and blood group B, count it quickly. Yes, for blood group B, 6 students. Next, for blood group O, quickly answer it in the chat box. for blood group O, 12 students. Okay, and AB that is 3. Okay, so 3 students have, and one thing students, just count it. 9 plus 6, that is 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 18 plus 12, 30. So total number of students you will get here. Okay, that sum of the frequencies should be 30. Okay, next distance in kilometer of 40 engineers, their from their resident to from their place of work were found as follows. Okay, so 5 kilometer, 3 kilometer, 10, 20. So construct a group frequency distribution table. Class size is 5 for given above, taking the first interval 0 to 5. Okay, and it is given that, it is mentioned that 5 is not included. Okay, in this question is 5 is not included, so you have to make the frequency table 0 to 5, but you should not include the 5 in this interval. Okay, okay, so rarest AB and common, that is O. Okay, next question number 2. Question number 2. So here, so you have to make the frequency table, that is distance. Write it down here, distance, and here frequency. If you want to make the tally marks, so write it down here, tally. Okay, tally marks. Now you have to here it is mentioned class interval size 5, so first taken 0 to 5. Okay, now students, I have told you that 0 is the lower limit and 5 is the upper limit. So what is the length of the class interval? Length of that interval is upper limit minus lower limit. 5 minus 0, that is 5. Okay, next interval 5 to 10. 5 to 10. 5 to 10 means here lower limit 5, upper limit 10. So what is the class length of the interval? 10 minus 5, that is 5. Okay, next 10 to 15. 10 to 15, 15 to 20, and from the data we have to go for up to 35. 20 to 25, 25 to 30, and 30 to 35. Okay, so just count it, how many of them the distance between 0 to 5, how many of them have distance 0 to 5? Quickly count it. Quickly count it. Between 0 to 5, how many of them have the distance within 5 kilometers from their home? Okay, so 5 engineer. Okay, so that is 5 and tally mark 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next 5 to 10. 5 to 10, how many of them have distance from 5 to 10? Quickly in the chat box. Onnesa 11. Okay, anyone else? Okay. And how to draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. Next 10 to 15. 10 to 15, how many students? That is also 11. So 11, same tally marks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. Next 15 to 20. 15 to 20. 15 to 20. Okay. Okay. Anyone else? That Onnesa, Subham and Prottoy. Raima, okay, very good. Just count it. Just count it. Okay, 9 student, 9 engineers, sorry, not students. So here 9 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 20 to 25. 20 to 25, how many students? 20 to 25, very good, only one. Only one. Okay, and 25 to 30. 25 to 30. Here also one. So only one of them have distance between 20 to 30 kilometer. And last one, that is 30 to 35. 30 to 35. Yes, 2. Okay. Now students, add this frequency. Add this frequency, I hope you will get 40. Okay. So today we have solved only two questions, question number 1 and question number 2. Question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 14.2. Next day we will solve, yes, next day we will solve from question number 3. Okay students, thank you, bye.